want the LANKYBOX doll? Yes, of course, bro.
Bro, the boxes do not open.
3, 2, 1. Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Judas Reaction here. He reacting to nothing.
Stop trying to hit me.
Nothing once again, because guys, in today's video, I got a text from LANKYBOX Justin. He asked me, do you want the LANKYBOX doll?
Oh my.
I didn't even know there was a LANKYBOX doll.
I'm so excited.
Stop.
You're the one that's like, what are you slurping on?
But Taylor, there are many kinds of dolls, like Barbie dolls. No. Come on, please.
I'm leaving the pro. Yeah.
Alright, and then after that, I was like,
Yes, of course, bro. But then he was like, then give me your credit card information. Obviously, I don't have a credit card, so I had to steal my mom's, and I gave him mom's credit card information.
Why? Bro, mom's been complaining about how she has no money for food.
But bro, it doesn't matter, bro.
Back up.
I need the LANKYBOX doll. That's what I'm talking about.
What?
Bro, he asked me so many questions like, give me your credit card information. What are the 3 numbers on the back? Expiration date. So many questions, bro, but I answered all of them because I'm a good person. You know what I mean? But like this video if you love your mom, guys. I love my mom so much, so that's why.
Stole her credit card. Did you know Dorito Jr.'s dying?
No!
Because of you! It's all your fault!
Wait, why?
You're spending all of mom's money and on these stupid dolls and he can't get
Dude, I'm only buying 1 doll, bro. I just gave him my credit card information to buy 1 doll.
You bought like $4,000 worth of V-Bucks, bro.
Oh my gosh, what's the hell? I needed it, bro.
I needed the freaking sexy Fortnite skin, yeah?
And then he said, thank you, your doll will be arriving soon. And I was like, thanks, Daddy. You do not even ask. Why did you subscribe to my channel for a free Doritos and a Spongy Society?
A few moments later.
Alright guys, let's go upstairs.
Right now, I'm so excited for my doll.
I'm so excited for this freaking doll.
Oh, what are you making that face for?
What do you mean? I'm just excited, you know, for the LANKYBOX doll.
Why are you excited?
I'm excited to get some dirty action. Yeah. Oh,
Tell me about that. Man, I'm gonna tell you, you don't want to borrow it.
you know what?
I want to borrow the doll.
I'm gonna tell you, there's gonna be too much. There's gonna be too much freaking stains on it. You know what I mean?
Like ketchup?
Something like that. You know what I mean? Like some clear substances. Like it'd be like it looks like mayo. You know what I mean? Anyways, guys, subscribe to my channel for free Judas and a Spongy Society. Like this video because I'm about to get the freaking LANKYBOX doll, and I'm excited. Let's just go right now, bro.
You're so stupid, bro.
I'm okay. Alright.
You sure?
Yeah. Alright, well, time to wait for the freaking doll. I'm just gonna be sitting here right now until the delivery man comes so I can suck his.
What is happening? I'm trying to go to sleep. Snoring so bad! Shut up! Oh my god! I'm trying to sleep.
The delivery man still hasn't.
It's time.
I'm so excited to get this freaking doll so I can have some dirty action with it. This is a freaking kids-friendly. Oh, this is a kid-friendly channel, bro. PG only. Anyway, subscribe to my channel for a free Doritos and a Spongy Society. Don't forget to subscribe to my second channel right now, NACHO. Leave in the description down below. I just upload a video reacting to a video, and nobody cares, I guess. Alright. How are we supposed to get the doll if the mailman isn't gonna open the door for us?
I don't know. Knock again. Dave, why is this your solution to every problem you have?
It works! Let's freaking go, guys.
What? How did that work?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
What are you so happy about?
Look at the box on the floor, Mato! It's on the floor, you idiot!
Oh.
Yes, guys! The LANKYBOX doll has to be inside of this!
It's running away!
No, want to. Don't let it run away. Don't let it run away.
Bruh.
Oh, dude, it jumped really high. What the fuck?
Wait, what? Bro, the box says do not open?
Why would LANKYBOX send me a box that says do not open? Where is the doll? Is it
Bruh.
inside of this?
Maybe.
But it says do not open. Well, if you guys did enjoy that video, please subscribe and like. Subscribe my channel for refrigerators and sponges, honey. What?
This is the end of the video. It says
Do not open.
Bruh.
Dinner.
What is that? And poop!
10 seconds later.
Oh my god, my tail! Gosh,
I cannot believe that I can't open this box. It says do not open, bro. We can't open this box, bro. Without its consent. Let me open you. Do not open. Do open. Oh, fast. No, 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 we can't do it. It says do not open.
Bruh.
No, you gave LANKYBOX Mom's credit card.
just open it.
Bruh.
Oh yeah, facts.
The LANKYBOX doll could be inside of this.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Well, if there's anything inside of this, then it's not inside of it anymore.
Bruh.
I'm gonna be inside of this now. 3, 2, 1.
My ears.
Bro, why was there a ball inside of the box?
What are you saying? I can't hear it.
Bruh.
United States Postal Service, get better security. You like that, don't you? Let's see if there's anything else inside of that box. Dude, wait, I think I'm paralyzed. Oh no! Oh no! I can't!
I'm looking at it right now.
Bruh.
No, that's not me! Oh wait, it's working.
What's your left leg? What?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's LANKYBOX! Let's freaking LANKYBOX, bro! Wait, hold on. This kind of looks cheap. What? It's paper. What?
It's paper?
I paid $40 for paper?
Oh.
It's a...
This is a piece of paper, bro.
Bro, you spent Mom's life savings on that piece of paper.
Bruh.
You gave him the credit card.
Oh, can you stop about the credit card? It's not that big of a deal, right?
Yes, it is.
Maybe we could just like play with him or something like. You can sit down. He's kind of cute. Do not throw that pillow at LANKYBOX.
Bruh.
Dare do it.
Why not? Kiss him.
He's kind of cute though. Look at his freaking glasses, bro. He's so cute. Look at his hair.
That's a
Oh,
LANKYBOX.
oh, Gucci, Gucci, Goo, Gucci, Gucci, Goo. Oh, he's smiling. Oh, Gucci, Gucci, Goo. He's the little baby. He's a little baby.
like Mom.
Who's little baby LANKYBOX?
Kiss him on the lips.
Oh.
What happened? He bit you.
Ow! Oh, fudge. Fudge nuggets! You numbnuts!
Bruh.
Numbnuts! Wait, hold on. He's a voodoo doll. I'm gonna cut him open.
Wait, what?
I'm angry. LANKYBOX. It's time to die.
Bruh.
You're not a cute little baby anymore, okay? Whoa!
What?
What happened to him?
What happened to him?
He's evil! That's the evil LANKYBOX doll, bro! Why is blood dripping from his mouth, bro? He looks angry.
He
Wait.
bit your lip. That's why he's bleeding.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Bruh.
This is the evil LANKYBOX doll, bro. He's angry and he has blood dripping from his mouth and it goes down to his leg.
Why does it go down from that area?
Is he on his period?
It's okay. It's okay. Gucci, Gucci, Gucci.
Bro, what? That's not how you treat him.
If he's a voodoo doll, then I'm gonna get him to walk to my house so I can kill him. I need to to the real LANKYBOX for putting a bomb in the box and then having his freaking little minion bite me.
Bruh.
You know what? Let's have him walk right now. Walk.
Meanwhile,
Oh, he's running. He's running.
Bruh.
He's running. Oh shoot! No, he's oh, that's it. No.
He died.
Right, now you're standing.
Bruh.
I'm ready to finally do this. LANKYBOX, you shall never be trusted ever again. Like this to you guys if you love your mom. I love my mom so much. Subscribe to my channel for our free treaters and Spongy Society. Let's go.
a few moments later.
Why are you back?
I forgot the freaking. Don't you dare bite me! Don't you dare do it! Let's go now.
2 hours later.
Guys, I have the doll right here, and there's freaking LANKYBOX Justin with his purple hair again. I'm just gonna make him do something. What should I make him do? I guess go away, walk backwards. Walk. All right, now turn around and go towards the shed. It's working. Yes, now full boy. Yo, he's on the ground right now. All right, get up, boy. Get up. Get up. Get your lazy ass up, boy. All right, now turn back around, boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Start walking. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Fall, boy. Well, it's the easiest thing that I've ever done in my life. All right, now stand back up. And start walking towards me.
Bruh.
Yes, sir. Yeah. All right, now fall. Get up, LANKYBOX, now. Do it. Yes, sir, bro. He has to listen to the voodoo doll. Start walking forward. All right, now fall again. Yo, fall again. Hello? LANKYBOX, what are you doing? Turn around.
Bruh.
LANKYBOX, fall. LANKYBOX, this isn't cool, bro. Get away. It's not, guys, it didn't work. Oh my gosh! I killed him. What? I killed LANKYBOX. Wait, he's still alive? Hell no! He's finally gone. He's gone. I have to be sure.
Bruh.
Finally, he's gone for good. Wait, what the? What's wrong with his face? That's not LANKYBOX. That's just an ugly baby. Ew.
Bruh.
If you guys did enjoy that video, please subscribe and like. Subscribe to my channel for free Doritos that Smiling Cheese Society. Don't forget to subscribe to my second channel, NACHO. Link in the description down below. And anyways, guys, like this video if you love your mom. Who is this guy?